especially when flown by aces such as Albert Ball, James McCudden, Edward Mannon. The SE and SE5A was the Scout Experimental. The original version was the 5, powered by a 150 horsepower Hispano Souza engine. That engine proved to be fairly unreliable. Indeed, only 77 examples of the SE5A were built. Soon replaced by the SE5A, powered by a 200 horsepower engine, much more reliable. The aircraft was armed with a single synchronised .303 Vickers machine gun that actually fired through the arc of the propeller. It was also fitted with a single Lewis gun on the top wing. This was on what's called a Foster mount, which enabled fire at aircraft both above and below. And here in the strong winds you can see Neil holding his aircraft at an incredibly slow speed. The wind up there is 30, perhaps 35 knots. Let's take that airspeed, so during that part of his display he was virtually standstill, probably moving forward at about Bondi now setting up for one of the more difficult manoeuvres. He's rolled the aircraft many times, but this is the slow roll. The idea being that you roll the aircraft as slowly as possible,